Hey guys, I'm back. Sean Ayala here from Pacific Sales, and today we are at the Los Angeles Times Festival of Books presented by Pacific Sales. Now let's go check it out. We're just walking through the Festival of Books, checking out some cool stuff. Hey guys, I found this incredible young author. Her name is Natalia. Natalia, how are you?
I'm great, thank you.
Why don't you tell everyone about your book?
Okay, so my book, it conveys the message and concept of diversity to young authors and readers using animals, which is such an easy way to understand it. It's a basic story, and it just has so many morals hidden within it, such as acceptance and following your heart.
We also have a cooking stage with product featuring KitchenAid. Now let's go check it out.
My kitchen is more than a room. And these are more than appliances. They are my tools.
Guys, while they're on stage, there's also a prep kitchen backstage that I want you guys to see. Check this out. This is where the magic happens. Just wanted to show you guys.
Thank you guys so much for coming out to the Pacific Sales cooking stage here at the LA Times Festival of Books. Thank you, Pacific Sales and KitchenAid.
We're about to end the day. Wait a minute. Where have you been?
We've been all over the place, Sean. The campus is pretty huge, you know, so...
But wait a minute, I've been working.
I've been eating.
Give me a hand again.